I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by listing all income sources with exact amounts and timing so you know cash flow. Next, enter fixed expenses like rent, loan payments, and subscriptions into the tracker. This locks baseline obligations. Once done, create category labels and assign budget percentages to essentials, wants, and savings. Make sure to set realistic limits for each category and enable recurring entries where possible. You'll see immediate gaps and surpluses to guide your next moves. Now you refine categories and apply automation. You categorize past transactions and create rules so similar items auto-sort. This saves time and reduces mistakes. Then reconcile the tracker with bank and card statements weekly to catch mismatches, making adjustments as needed. Once reconciled, set up automated transfers for savings or bill payments and configure low balance alerts. Doing these steps steadily builds accuracy and discipline. You'll understand spending patterns and be ready to finish, run the month-end summary to compare income, total spending, and your savings rate so you know whether targets were met. Then adjust next month's budgets based on trends, tighten areas that overshot and increase realistic amounts where needed. If numbers don't add up, troubleshoot. Audit recent manual entries, check bank feed connections, and verify duplicate transactions. If syncing errors persist, disconnect and reconnect the account or export statements for manual import. This usually restores accuracy and confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.